Hey everyone, today we're talking about khichdi, a dish that's super popular in India. It's simple to make, tastes great, and is often eaten when people aren't feeling well. You can make khichdi with lots of different things and you'll find it in almost every Indian home. People of all ages love it. So what is khichdi? It's basically rice and lentils cooked together. We add some gentle spices like turmeric, cumin and coriander to give it a warm, earthy flavor. And sometimes we add a little ghee, which is a type of clarified butter to make it extra tasty. One of the best things about khichdi is how easy it is to make. It's a one-pot dish, which means everything cooks together in the same pot. You just rinse the rice and lentils, put them in a pot with water and spices, bring it to a boil, and then let it simmer until everything is cooked through. Easy peasy. Khichdi is all about keeping things simple. You don't need a lot of ingredients, and you probably already have most of them in your kitchen. That makes it a budget-friendly meal that anyone can enjoy. Another reason why people love khichdi is that you can add all sorts of things to it. Want some veggies? Throw in some carrots, peas, potatoes or spinach. They add flavor, color and make it even healthier. Speaking of healthy, khichdi is a nutritional powerhouse. It's got carbs for energy, protein for strong muscles, and fiber to keep your tummy happy. Plus, it's low in fat and calories, making it a great choice for a healthy meal. And since it's so easy to digest, it's perfect for anyone who's feeling under the weather. In India, khichdi is more than just a meal, it's a symbol of comfort and care. Mums often make it for their kids, and it's a common dish to give to those who are sick or elderly. We even eat it during religious fasts because it's seen as a pure and simple food. Khichdi really shows how diverse and delicious Indian food can be. It's simple, versatile, and has a special place in our culture. Whether it's a warm hug on a cold day or a light and healthy dinner, khichdi will always be a favorite in our homes and hearts.